Yeah, I mean, this has been such a complicated forecast here, and we've literally seen all types of precipitation as we expected, but where exactly it's set up, that's kind of a harder equation to solve. So let's go ahead and talk about some notes for tonight. Wet roadways for most of East Texas. That is what is expected for most of us tonight. Now, along and north of Interstate 20, icy roads will be a possibility after midnight tonight, and then regardless of what accumulates and what doesn't, I do expect a lot of melting to take place starting tomorrow afternoon as that precipitation exits in the morning. A couple more counties added to the winter weather advisory, Nacogdoches and Shelby County, and that's all because we've got temperatures right around freezing for Nacogdoches and Center. You can see Shelby County seat there, 32 at Center, 32 in Nacogdoches. So we could see a glaze of ice in deep East Texas where those temperatures are very close to freezing. Otherwise, we're still monitoring for that changeover to a wintry mix further off to the north and to the northwest. A bit concerning out of Cass County. Power outages have now reached about 1,000. So this is the area where we've had a bit more icing compared to the rest of East Texas. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. But some power outages being reported across East Texas this evening. And here's the radar. Not a ton going on as far as the wintry mix goes, but we have a lot of rain on the radar. But that mixture of precipitation still generally off to the north. But I've been watching in deep East Texas. We've had some reports of some sleet pellets mixed in for portions of Cherokee County. Now further off to the north, we're still seeing that snow line move further and further to the south. So we'll continue to watch that trend to see if that could creep into places like Wood and Smith County. Another thing that I am watching is the rain-snow line shifting to the east. This is the Metroplex. We have snow in Tarrant County. We've got rain in Dallas County, but that's beginning to change because this little line here has progressed off to the east over the last several frames. So that could result in a brief changeover to snow before all is said and done and the precipitation moves out later tomorrow morning. And then in Smith County, along into the north of Interstate 20, really Highway 80, that's where we're seeing a mixture of that precipitation right now. As we look at Futurecast, we've got temperatures in the 30s throughout the course of the night. After midnight, that's when we could start to see that snow back into our western counties. We're seeing a little bout of snow at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, a few flakes of snow flying along into the north of Interstate 20, and then the snow, it moves out. The clearer skies will begin to move in the afternoon, and we should be left with cloud cover, and it will be a chilly afternoon before the clouds move out tomorrow night. So here's what we can expect for tonight. Wintry mix from Jacksonville, Henderson, Marshall to the northwest. It's all snow along Interstate 30, and then rain in portions of deep East Texas. For Friday morning, the rain-snow line shifts further to the south and to the east. Tyler and Longview, you probably see a short round of snow, which might end up being a trace, maybe a quarter of an inch or so, but then that moves out. Could see a mix as far south as Nacogdoches County, and it's generally going to be all rain in deep East Texas. But here's a look at the next 7. Some morning snow showers Friday. We will be dry Friday afternoon. It's smooth sailing this weekend and a bit warmer, 40s and 50s Saturday and Sunday, and then we're back comfortably in the 50s next week, which is going to feel great after a week like what we've had. And then deep East Texas, more of the same. A few morning showers Friday, and then we are dry and warmer this weekend. For the latest weather forecast,